everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Shamika, and if you're returning, thanks for showing back up. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell so you can get all post notifications every time I drop a video. So we're making our DIY Shea body butter with lavender, and I'm starting with a pound of white shea butter. It's 100% pure African shea butter. You can buy that on Amazon, guys. It's exactly where I got mine from. I got a 5-pound block. So listen, this is gonna last me like forever. Do you hear me? So I'm just measuring out the pound on my scale. I use some parchment paper just for easy cleanup and transfer. And once you measure out your pound or however much you want to make, actually, I was thinking maybe next time I will do half because this actually made a lot, but at least I have more to use up, so I'm not mad. So once I do that, I just go ahead and take it off the scale. And I actually have a glass bowl that I'm going to mix everything together with. So that's me just kind of wrapping that up and coming to the final measure. Yep. So I'm going to clean off my station just so I have a clear workspace. I'm going to transfer my shea butter into a glass bowl that I'm just going to add everything to. While this is taking place, guys, what you want to do is have a pot on the stove because I'm going to be doing the double boiler method. And you want to just add that with a little bit of water, okay? And turn that on so you can start creating steam. Now these are the oils that I'm going to add to my shea butter. Coconut oil. I'm going to add some lavender essential oil toward the end, not during the mixing process. Jojoba oil, tea tree oil. I'm going to put some sweet almond oil in there. Then I'm going to add some castor oil, avocado oil, and some pure extra virgin olive oil. And so I will put all the measurements and the ingredients in the description below, but I just show you here. I'm just adding coconut oil, and then I'm going to start just adding all my oils, but I don't want to show you guys that. I'll just put all of the ingredients and measurements in the description box, so just check that out. There are a lot of different recipes out there, guys. I would just say go with what oils you really love on your skin and combine them. I mean, you can't do it wrong. Your skin is going to love it because all these oils have healing properties and they restore your skin. So this is me putting the glass pot after all the oils are combined on top of that pot, and the heat from the steam is going to melt everything together. As you see, just a little bit of piece that's left. It'll take about 15, maybe 20 minutes for it all to melt. And you want to put this in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Once you take it out, it's going to be solidified, but you don't want it too hard because you want to be able to mix it like so, okay? So you want to start off with a low setting because you don't want it to splatter all over the place. And then you want to just rev it up so that you can start to aerate it, right? You want air to be incorporated into the shea butter mixture because that's what gives it its whipped consistency, okay? This is where I add the lavender oil, about 7 to 8 drops. You don't need any more than that unless you just really want a lot of scent coming from your body butter. It's okay. It's all you, right? So you just want to whip. I whipped about 10 minutes. I actually timed myself. You can do that since it's the first time I made it. So if you guys are not, I just don't even know what to say. It looks like whipped cream. And they say if you don't want to eat it, then it's not done yet. It's not ready. But look at this. It looks just like whipped cream. It was so velvety, soft, and silky smooth, y'all. You want to get a gallon size Ziploc bag for piping, or unless you have a piping bag, you can definitely use that. And what I'm going to do is cut off the corner, and I'm going to actually pipe it into a reused container, right? It actually was filled up with my previous sample of shea butter that I bought from a small business. So that's me just cutting off the corner. And forgive me, guys, for the frame. I kind of covered up the camera with the bag, but I'll move it out of the way so you can actually see. I just didn't realize I did that. But when I tell you, I was so pleased with how this shea butter came out. When you're piping, as you can see, I punctured the bag, so I was a little irritated by that, but it all worked out. I didn't have a bloody mess. But yeah, I'm just banging that on the counter just so you can kind of, make sure that the butter is filling up all the space of the container. And that's that, ladies and gentlemen. And so I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like on my skin. When I tell you, it was so smooth, it spread so nicely on my skin. Look how moisturizing it is, and it really lasts, guys. A little bit goes a long way, and it will last you a long time. So if you give this a try, don't forget to share it with your families and friends. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ring that bell for all post notifications. Thanks for watching.